Ever wondered why some people seem to make a fortune in the blink of an eye while others struggle to make ends meet? The secret lies in the art of diversifying investments. Welcome to a new episode on the Billionaire Queen channel, where we unravel the mysteries of wealth creation. Picture this. You have a basket of eggs. If you place all your eggs in one basket and it falls, you lose everything. But if you spread your eggs across several baskets, even if one falls, you still have others intact. This is the principle of diversification in investments. The debate rages on about the extent of diversification. Should you invest in a lot of different areas or concentrate on a few that you're confident about? The answer lies in a balanced approach. Investing in a wide array of sectors can help spread the risk, but having too many investments can make management difficult and dilute potential returns. Consider this. If you're a woman in your 40s or 50s, you might be looking for investment options that offer stability and growth. A diverse portfolio that includes bonds for stability, stocks for growth, and real estate for tangible assets can provide a balanced investment strategy. The key to managing risk lies in understanding your risk tolerance and investing accordingly. If the thought of losing money keeps you up at night, high-risk investments might not be the best fit for you. On the other hand, if you're comfortable taking on some risk for the potential of higher returns, a mix of low and high-risk investments could be your ticket to financial success. As time progresses, adjusting your portfolio becomes essential. As you age, you might want to shift towards more conservative investments to protect your accumulated wealth. It's like a game of chess, where you adjust your strategy as the game progresses. Investing is not about getting rich quickly. It's about building wealth over time. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your investment portfolio. It takes time, patience, and a well-thought-out strategy. So, as we wrap up today's episode, ponder on this. Are you making the most of your investments? Are they diversified enough to weather any financial storm? We would love to hear your thoughts. Remember, wealth creation is a journey, not a destination. So stay tuned to our channel, The Billionaire Queen, for more insights and tips on growing your wealth. Until next time, keep investing and keep growing.